Hello everyone, welcome to the one question series of Avlokan IAS. Today we are going to discuss a question that is asked in CSAT 2020 and the question belongs to the number system topic. The question is, for what value of n the sum of digits in the number 10 to the power n plus 1 is 2. Number is 10 to the power n plus 1 equals 2 and its sum is 2. Now if we are keeping n equals to 0, it's going to be 10 to the power 0, that is 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Yes, it's satisfying. N equals to 1, so it's going to be 10 to the power 1 plus 1, it's going to be 11, that is 1 plus 1 and it's also going to be 2. Next is n equal to 2, 100 and it's going to be 101. So that means it is following for n equal to 2. So for n equal to 0 only, no, we see 1 and 2 also. For any whole number n, yes, we can say, because we have included 0, 1, 2 and everything. So this can be my option. Next is for any positive integer n only. Now see, positive integer does not include 0. So this is not my answer. For any real number n, we cannot say real number n because if we are taking n equals to half, so in that case this will be root 10 plus 1 and root 10 is something near about 3.16. So it's not at all the sum is going to be 2. So this is also not my answer. So for any whole number n, so B is my answer. Thank you. We will meet again.